When you're looking for improvements in productivity on turning, you need to look at machines that are not just fast, but they're powerful, agile, and of course, reliable. Now, Doosan Machine Tools provide or supply thousands of machines a year around the globe. And in fact, every exhibition, pretty much every exhibition we attend around the world, there is also maybe a Doosan distributor or Doosan themselves. Now, we often see their new technologies. We've spoken recently about their DVF models. Today, I'm going to talk to you about their TT1300SYYB machine, which was introduced into the range around about a year ago. This machine is an extremely small footprint. Now, the TT1300 has 42 or 51mm bar capacity. It does have a double Y-axis on this machine, which takes away, when you're engineering your part and you're looking at those operations that need a Y-axis, previously you would have always had to have done that with the top turret. But now you've got a Y-axis on both the top turret and the bottom turret. That means that it takes that headache out of the production engineering. It means you can begin to dictate where you do operations. Both spindles are equal on this machine when it comes to their speed and their power. Now, specifically on the TT1300SYYB, you have 11 kilowatt, 6,000 RPM on the main spindle and the same on the sub spindle. The machines run up to 40 meters a minute when it comes to their rapid, so you're trying to improve cutting times. You want to minimize the downtime. The speed of the machine is also, or is very important. The driven tools on these machines enable you to do those milling operations, and of course with 6,000 RPM they're offering here, it means that whether you're trying to tackle high-speed machining from that perspective, you are getting close to be able to do that as well. They've also got 3.7 kilowatts of power on those driven tools as well. Now, this is a much smaller footprint machine to the previous TT machines. It will give you the ability to turn those smaller components far faster. It will give you the ability to engineer the process in a way that you believe is the best way to get the part off the machine. Doosan run with FANUC control systems. They also have their own easy to operate machining package, which they believe when you're producing components on machines like this and you're looking to balance out operations is the control that can assist you. Now, I can't stop without also mentioning the TT1300SYYB, which is another machine that was introduced into the range not long ago. This one goes up to an 81mm bar capacity and of course does have that double Y-axis function as well. So they've introduced more models into the twin turret environment. Like Doosan always do, they're innovating, they're bringing out new machines, and of course we'll be traveling around the world as MTD CNC Global in the coming months, looking forward to not just looking at the TT machines from Doosan, but some of the other machines that are coming through as well.